Welcome to Adi Loki's Toy Review. Hi kids, welcome to Adi Loki's Toy Review. So kids, today we are going to unbox a PICASSO Tiles product, which is glow-in-the-dark flexible racetrack set. And here it is.
Whoa!
It's 11 feet long. It has 270 pieces. 270 is a lot, right?
Yeah.
And now here is how it looks like. It will be like this. Now open it.
What? Oh, it takes instructions. Wow.
Yes.
Whoa! Whoa! It takes place of 2 cars. I want to see the cars.
So kids, these are the tracks. And something cool about this tracks are they're glow in the dark. They're really bendy and really flexible.
Yeah, I like that part.
Yeah.
Even when you connect them together, they look like a steak. Look. It's hard to connect.
Yeah.
See, that's like a steak.
Snake.
It's literally steak.
Wait, let's. Now
I would
there's
keep
more
connecting
colors.
this.
There's more colors.
Wow.
And more tracks. And then this is the door over here. So like when the car comes, it goes through this door like this.
Whoa, here are the cars.
And kids, wow, these are the light up cars.
I like these. Where's the other one?
The police.
It comes in 2 cars. So the police has to be behind the car.
Kids.
Whoa,
Look at
what's
these.
that? Wait, it comes with 4 tracks.
Yeah, more and more tracks.
Wait, kids, should we keep building this track?
These are the tires and the
Wow.
trees
Oh,
and the monsters.
there we go. There we go.
There we go.
Wow, this is actually longer than it thought.
It's 11 feet, which is pretty long. Unbox it. Okay, kids. Whoa. Kids, look. This is the biggest size.
Did you
Whoa,
get these now?
there's a lot of pieces in here.
Wow. So kids, we are gonna work on this track together.
Yeah.
This is how I got so far.
Yeah.
So kids, we are done making the track. Now we're on like the bridge.
Okay.
So I don't even know what to do with these. So we have to take these pieces and connect it together and they will fit.
And then you have to make 4 of these. 3.
3.
And there's 4. Now we have these pieces here. We have 4 of these. We just get this and put it on
I put
the
one?
bottom.
Put 2 easily on the side.
Yeah.
Now we have that
Now we have to put this piece on top.
of each, like 2 of them. So that, build that.
And you have to get the side of the brick. Put it over here. And put this part over here. That one.
That.
Oh, be careful. That big hole, the big one. Yep, big one, big one, big one. Yeah, and then push. And that's it. Yep, did it. Okay,
Yay.
now we have to.
Put the trap.
No.
What?
Yeah, we have to get these.
Oh yeah.
Remember we were making a slope bridge?
Oh yeah.
So we gotta get a piece of our track. So kids, it's easy to take the tracks out. Just do this, like that. So now we have these pieces left over. We're gonna take a small piece from our track and put the edge of it in here. It's a bit tricky, but just try to push it in.
put up.
So now kids, we made 2 of these shapes.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna get a big piece of track and then put it on these.
Yeah, like those.
Yeah. And then connect it to this and this. So before attaching this, I'll show you how to give support to this so it doesn't get off every time. So in this, we got these like sticks, and we can put this end of the stick in this hole.
Let's see what this one is.
It's a little bit hard.
Right.
And then put it on top of the bridge. And there's like a lot of like holes over here.
Where? I don't see.
Over here. And just put one of the holes in here and then connect the track like this. So okay, so let's connect the bridge with the track.
So kids, I'm gonna add the tree.
And I'm gonna add the door.
There we go. Oh, that's too close to this one.
Oh yeah. Let's put the stickers. Oh no, it goes down from here.
Oh yeah.
Let's build the gas station.
So let me do the stop sign.
Okay.
Okay, first get it out. Give me all the stop signs. Or the
Stop
light.
sign, light.
Light. We need all the lights.
And then here's the gas station.
Kids, now I'm so excited because the cars are gonna go. I'm so excited. Yeah.
I can't wait.
So he picks the blue car and I picked the police. So I
Both of these are
catch
blue.
it. What? Oh
Both
yeah.
of these.
Oh yeah. So
Put AA batteries.
but where do we put this?
So the cars need 2 batteries.
So we put the batteries in,
And I am so excited!
so you go first.
You go first.
No, okay, I'll.
Okay, just press and put on everything.
I think I'll put press this.
Whoa!
Wait, oh my door car.
Okay, ready?
Ah!
I'm sorry, your car is stuck. Save it. Whoa! This is awesome!
Wait, why don't we get the cars where their direction is going?
Whoa!
That blue police car trying to catch up to this police car. See? Whoa!
What?
Wow, this is so cool. Wait, should we turn off the lights? Yeah, let's turn off the lights. Wow.
Whoa! This is awesome! Wow! These cars.
Now
Let's see the glow in the dark version. 3, 2, 1, lights off! Whoa! Wow! Now one more time. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
it said hold it.
Whoa! Oh, there we go.
My car's in the lead.
Now my car is see.
Haha, I'm on the beach.
I am on the win. See, you're still going.
Now I'm on the beach.
Now you are on the bridge.
Trying to catch up, puppy.
Wow!
That's cool. Hey, there goes yours. There goes mine.
This is so cool.
Yeah. Wait, why don't we do like this? And then it will go
3, 2, 1, go! Uh-oh. Oh! Whoa! That's nice! A big prize! This cup has to run away! Whoa, they're like wheelies! Yeah! Let me get my phone! Alright, okay, that's 3, 2, 1, go! So guys, for sending us this beautiful glow in the dark race that I love it. This was amazing. In my whole entire life, I never saw this. I just loved it so much. It's doing a wheelie. It could. Thank you kids for watching my videos. Comment down below, hit the notification bell button. Please subscribe and keep watching more of my videos. Bye.